Welcome back to Infigyan friends. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting radical equation challenge. The given equation is 1 over x plus 1 over x square equal to fifth root of 1 over x power 5 plus 1 over x power 10. We have to find out all solutions possible. So let's get started by writing domain of the equation. Denominator cannot be 0. So x0 will be exempted solution. We cannot consider x is equal to 0 as a solution. Now I will consider raise both sides power 5. So I will write 1 over x plus 1 over x square whole power 5. And once I will take right hand side whole power 5, this fifth root will be over. So let me write only x power 5 plus 1 over x power 10. Now I will make our denominator common or LCM method or LCD method. So let me multiply here x and x so that denominator is common now. X power 5 and x power 5 in this term, numerator denominator. So it will become denominator in left hand side it would be x square, numerator will be x plus 1 whole power 5, and right hand side also x power 5 plus 1 over x power 10. Now you can see if I will split the exponent, I can write x plus 1 whole power 5 over x power 10 equal to x power 5 plus 1 over x power 10. Now I can cancel these two denominators as x is non-zero. So what is left? That is x plus 1 whole power 5 equal to x power 5 plus 1. Is this equation quintic? No. This is not quintic. Once you will expand, x power 5 will be cancelled out from both sides. So we will get only 4 solutions. Equation is quartic. Let's solve it. X plus 1 whole power 5 equal to x power 5 plus 1. I will use Pascal triangle to write the coefficients of this expansion. So let me consider 1, 1, 1. For power 2, 1, 2, 1. For power 3, 1, 3, 3, 1. For power 4, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And for power 5, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So here we are having coefficients for our interest, power 5. So what I will write here, expansion directly. First term power will decrease, second term power will increase. Second term is 1, so it is not going to affect. So let me write for coefficient 1, I will write x power 5. For coefficient 5, I will write 5x power 4. For coefficient 10, I will write 10x cube. For coefficient 10 again, I will write 10x square. For next coefficient 5, I will write 5x. For last coefficient 1, I will write 1 equal to x power 5 plus 1. X power 5 we will cancel, 1 and 1 we will cancel. Now what is left? That is quartic. 5x power 4 plus 10x cube plus 10x square plus 5x equal to 0. Now you can see 5 is common, x is also common. We will take 5x common. What would be left? X cube. Here you will write 2x square. For this term you will write 2x. For last term you will write only 1 equal to 0. Now you can see f dot g equal to 0. So we will conclude either x is equal to 0, this term would be 0, or this term would be 0. This is one cubic equation, x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So once you will consider x equal to 0, is this our solution? No, it is not, because as per our domain, so we will reject x equal to 0. Now come to our cubic equation. You can see using rational root theorem, we can proceed ourselves. Otherwise, simply by putting x equal to -1, it is satisfying the equation. I will use synthetic division method. Let me write equation here: x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Let me put x is equal to minus 1 over there. See what will happen. Minus 1 whole cube plus 2 times minus 1 square plus 2 times minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1. You can see it is satisfying the equation. That means x is equal to minus 1 is base solution for this equation. So let me write here base solution. Now synthetic division method is on. We can apply synthetic division method. So I need to write all the coefficients of this cubic equation. Let me write the coefficient of x cube 1, coefficient of x squared 2, coefficient of x 2, constant coefficient 1. Put one line over there. Leading coefficient as it is 1. Now we need to multiply this base solution 1 by 1. Minus 1 times 1, minus 1, 1. Minus 1 times 1, minus 1, 1. Minus 1 times 1, minus 1, 0. So these are coefficients for quadratic equation. So let us frame x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will solve this quadratic equation to find out remaining two solutions. One solution is confirmed, that is x is equal to minus 1. Let me solve here. X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Shridrachar formula. Minus b minus 1 plus minus under the root b square, so 1 square, minus 4ac, so minus 4 divided by 2a, so 2. So we can write minus 1 plus minus, this will give you negative 3 over 2. Now we know that square root of minus 1 is I, complex number. So we can write this one as minus 1 plus minus I times square root 3 over 2. X is equal to. So two solutions are complex. One solution which we calculated, that was our base solution, x equal to negative 1. So let me write our complete solution set. X is equal to negative 1, minus 1 plus I root 3 over 2, and minus 1 minus I root 3 over 2. Two solutions are real. One solution is imaginary. Two are imaginary. One is real. And x is equal to 0 is not going to be the solution of this equation as it was in the denominator. I hope this video is meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself.